time.
Okay, both. Okay, in a village they do only 2 times. They eat only 2 times like that.
In morning and in evening.
Okay,
I
what do
make
you eat?
chapati oven.
Sorry.
I make chapati on oven.
Okay. So
Just oven.
what did you eat in the afternoon when you feel hungry?
No, because we have lunch after taking bath. So I live in a place. So I have lot of work. So in morning we have make tea, and after that make everything. Yani I complete my lunch. Then this time I lunch. I have lunch.
Okay, you didn't take your breakfast. Like you directly eat your lunch.
Yeah,
But
only
we
tea
should,
breakfast time.
but we should eat all 3 times. It's not good for your health.
You know because they have it or they all members this time here have it only 2 times.
Okay, wait a minute.
Okay.
It means you are habitual of it.
Yeah.
Shit.
You are not visible.
Okay, wait. It's fine.
Yeah, it's fine. So first of all, you are a YouTuber.
Yes.
Okay, I'm also YouTuber.
Okay.
So as you know, we are meeting for the first time. So introduce a little bit yourself.
Yeah, of course. Yeah, I'm Priyanka. I am from Jamshedpur, Jharkhand. If you're concerned about my education qualification, I have completed BCom, then completed MCom. After that, I have completed Bachelor of Education. I have 3 experience in teaching field, and I'm a homemaker. I have blessed with 2 children, and simultaneously, I am running YouTube channel. That's all about me.
Okay, nice, great. So this is my turn. My name is Geeta Chaudhary. I live in Dura, nearby Fatehpur Sikri, and I live in Blaze. Dura is Blaze, and now I have 2 kids, and I live in joint family. If you
Okay.
if you talk about my qualification, I am complete my 12th class in 2014. Now I am learning this English journey, and I am a homemaker only.
Okay. So you haven't completed your graduation.
No, no, 12th class. I complete my 12th class only.
So do you never think to complete your graduation?
No, because I this time I'm housewife, so I have 2 kids, but this time I'm not able to graduation.
So why do you want to learn this language? Why you're passionate to learn this language?
Yeah, why not? Because I want to make environment for my kid. I have 2 kids, one girl and one boy. My
Okay.
daughter is 8 year old, so that's why I make environment for my kids.
Okay. So what's the age of your kids?
My girl is 8 year old and boy is 4 year old.
Both study in English medium.
No, no, they are government school. So you know, government school is not speak English. Little bit by subject, only subject.
Okay. So do you speak with your kids in your home?
Little bit, but sometime I teach them like come here, give me this, take this, little like this.
Or they also speak with you? They take interested to talk
Yeah,
with you?
they try. They mama ask me all right.
Okay, okay. So what are you doing to improve your communication skill?
Yeah. This time I only I sometime I read book little story book, English story book because my daughter study in 4th class, so I read them book English story. Sometime I write 1 page only in night, and a little bit I practice my daily work in English. I think
So what are you doing? Do you speak with in your? Do you have any environment in your home to
no no
for
no
spoken?
no. There is only I speak English, but my family members not speak English. any notice.
Okay. So what's your husband do?
My husband is decorator.
Okay. So means do you watch like a English related stuff in YouTube or
Yeah,
not?
only YouTube. I watch English content video, and sometimes I read a book English story, and that's all.
So how long have you been learning this language?
You can say if you talk about my speak English journey, that I start only 2 week. But if you talk about my YouTube channel, I open my YouTube channel 1 year ago.
Okay. So what kind of things you uploaded in your YouTube channel?
Daily use sentence related. I
Okay. Means
upload
English
content.
related.
Yeah,
Okay. 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 So what are you doing to improve your vocabulary part?
yeah. I start sometime I read a story, then I select some vocab and I make sentence.
Okay. Okay.
Only 2 or 3 vocab I improve only.
Okay. Okay. So do you have any vocabulary? Then you can ask me.
Vocab if I more vocab select, then I forget.
Nice. So you should do it. You used to try them. Then you have any vocabulary right now?
Yeah, a little bit because this time I'm not able to more vocabulary because I have lots of work because I live in village and I have animals, so I have lot of work. There is I take time only myself for little bit. So and you know jagdalu aurat, what we call in English.
No, don't know.
No, झगड़ालू औरत, you can say fifth wife.
Yeah, sorry.
Fifth wife.
Fifth. Fifth.
Fifth wife. Fifth मछली. Fifth wife.
Acha, fish wife.
Yeah,
Okay.
you can
Great.
say झगड़ालू औरत.
Okay. Fish wife.
And you know naseri, what we call in English naseri.
Drinker. Drinker.
No, booger. 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 Boozer. Booger.
Booger.
Yeah,
Booger. Booger.
yeah, yeah.
Okay.
And if you talk about झगड़ालू लड़की, then cat girl.
Okay.
Yeah, this time I use in night I select this meaning only.
Okay. Okay. No problem.
And if you have any vocab,
So actually, I don't have any vocabulary right now because I'm not no ready. These days, I'm actually doing busy. That's why I could not read any books. So that's
and
why I don't have any vocabulary.
why are you for hina mehndi? What are you drawing?
Yeah, I am putting mehndi on my hands. That's why not a wedding, and that's it, just like this.
Yeah, you
I like
like.
to put. Yeah, I like to put mehndi on my hand. That's why.
Okay, and you have daughter and girl and two both boy.
No, actually, I have a one boy and a one daughter. My son is a elder one. He is a 4 years old, and my daughter is younger than boys, and he is just a 1 year old.
And you live in a joint family or single
Ye-
family?
No, no, I live in a joint family. I'm not live in a nuclear family.
Yeah, because
No,
now great.
sorry.
Joint family is great for ourselves.
Yeah, yeah. Sometimes they support us to for our kids
Yeah.
also, and
They also support me.
yes, yes. Yes. So what's your kids doing right now? What they are doing?
They are playing now.
Okay. Today is their holiday.
Yeah, yeah. You know, winter holiday started. That's why they
Okay.
play and sometimes watching TV. But in afternoon, I teach them.
Okay. So what's your plan? What's your future plan?
My future plan is only this: I make environment for my kid, and my kid are make my kid are being fluent speaker in English, and I also.
Okay. So what's your hobby?
My hobby is like stitching and sweater. Like I make sweater, and sometime I give knowledge and take knowledge because now I interested for something new. I watch something new, then I want to catch.
Okay. So, what any do you like the storybook? You told me that.
Now this time only rainbow storybook because my daughter have book. That's only, but I don't another book. I don't
Okay.
know.
Where you told me you live in a Dhura. What's the place name?
Dura, Dora, Dura.
Dhura. It is
Near
comes
Fateh-
in UP.
Yeah, you know Fatehpur Sikri?
Yeah.
Yeah, near 9 kilometer far, Dura.
Fatehpur Secrets are built on Akbar, right now? Yes.
Yeah. Akbar Yoda.
Okay. So have you visited Fatehpur Sikri?
Yeah, one time only, but not more time. And
Okay.
you don't believe me. I can't full dargah. I can't see
Okay.
because the dargah, Fatehpur Sikri in dargah.
Okay. So you haven't go there.
No, only one time and go and come.
Oh. So your native place is also Dura or in some other places?
No. My native place in Nagar,
Where
Kiravli,
is it?
Sahi, Nagar.
Where is it? It is also comes in Fatehpur Sikri.
No, Fatehpur Sikri far like 13 kilometer.
Okay. So how long have you been your marriage?
What?
How long have you been your marriage?
9 year ago.
Oh, it's a completed your 9 years. You have completed your 9 years.
Yeah.
Okay. So have you made your lunch?
No, because we live in village, so that's why I make lunch or in morning time.
Okay, both. Okay, in a village they do only two times. They eat only two times, like a.
In morning and in evening.
Okay,
I
what do
make
you eat?
oven.
Sorry.
I make chapati on oven.
Okay. So
Just oven.
what did you eat in the afternoon when you feel hungry?
No, because we have lunch uh, after taking bath. So I be in live in place. So I have lot of work. So in morning we have make tea, and after that make everything. Yani I complete my lunch. Then this time I lunch. I have lunch.
Okay, you didn't take your breakfast. Like you directly eat your lunch.
Yeah,
But
only
we
tea.
should
Breakfast time.
but we should eat all three times. It's not good for your health.
Because they have it, or they all member this time here have it only 2 times.
Okay, wait a minute.
Okay.
It means you are habitual of it.
Yeah.
Shit. But we should eat at least three times. Then it will be a good for health. After in a future, you have to face some problem. like
Yeah.
because we are body require three times at least in a day. You
Yeah,
should eat.
but but in Blaze, not anyone lunch for yani food any 3 time, only 2 time everyone.
Okay. Your kids also, they eat only 2 times?
No, they milk 3 time in morning. First morning they milk 1 glass, and in afternoon 1 glass milk, and evening. Then 2 time eat food. So that's
Mm,
why. Because I have a lot of animal, so we use only fresh milk.
okay, great.
So,
So what's your daily routine? When did you get up and when did you sleep and what did you do in your whole day?
if you watch my video, because I upload my video daily routine after 3 days ago, so you can
I,
watch.
I, I haven't seen your video.
I share with you. I share,
Okay,
because
okay,
if you watch my video, then my watch time is increased.
okay. I will watch definitely.
And you send me your YouTube channel link, okay?
Okay, okay,
Because I subscribe.
okay.
So I think time is good, because 70 minutes. Because I
Oh,
have not Wi-Fi connection. I have used mobile data.
okay, okay. No problem. Okay then.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, same here. Okay. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
See you again. Bye.